మనం ఇప్పుడు ఈ కార్యక్రమం ముఖ్య అతిథి శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారి రాకకు వేచి చూస్తున్నాం.
What a fantastic display of the slithering operation by the Seeking 42 Charlie and the Marine Commandos. The Seeking 42 Charlie is now seen moving towards the left, proceeding towards the Prakash Barrage after successfully completing the slithering operations. And now we see in the Gemini boat, accompanied by another one tailing behind it, the Marine Commandos are proceeding toward
Marine Commandos ని రికవర్ చేయడం కోసం తిరిగి డయాస్ మీదుగా వస్తడం మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, right ahead of the dais, you can see the Seeking 42 Charlie appearing from the deep of the horizons is now coming back to extract the Marine Commandos from the zone of operations. The Marine Commandos are three-dimensional force capable of operating over and under the sea, Air Charlie aircraft. Descending down, the Seeking 42 Charlie is now preparing for these tie-ups.
మరీన్ కమాండోస్ ఆపరేషన్ పూర్తయిన తర్వాత వారిని సురక్షితంగా రికవర్ చేసే పద్ధతిని స్టై ఆపరేషన్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు.
The Seeking has now come into a low hover and is putting out its special rope for the extraction of the Marine Commandos from the Gemini craft. The rope has been lowered and it has been received skillfully by the Gemini craft. The pilot sets himself for the perfect descent above the sea level, ready to extract the Marine Commandos from the Gemini craft.
సీకింగ్ హెలికాప్టర్ సారథి వహిస్తున్న పైలట్స్ కమాండర్ శశాంక్ ఝా మరియు కో-పైలట్ కమాండర్ నిహాల్ సబ్నెస్.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now have a big round of applause for the STY operations taking place in front of you. Attaching themselves to the special rope, now we have the Marine Commandos ready to be extracted to a safer zone. The Marine Commandos are now attaching themselves to the hook which has been attached to the helicopter and will fly away in any moment from now.
మరీన్ కమాండోస్ని సురక్షితమైన ప్రాంతానికి తరలించడానికి రికవర్ చేస్తున్న సీకింగ్ 42 చార్లీ హెలికాప్టర్ విన్యాసాన్ని మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూస్తున్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, despite rough seas, heavy weathers, our pilots and the Marine Commandos display a fantastic show of bravery and daredevilry to complete the STY operations. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, 4 of our Marine Commandos have now been extracted from the Gemini craft into the 42 Charlie, hanging below it, ready to be deported into a safer zone.
మోహరించిన 4 మరీన్ కమాండోస్ను సురక్షితంగా రికవర్ చేసి సీకింగ్ 42 చార్లీ హెలికాప్టర్ వారిని సురక్షిత ప్రాంతాలకు తీసుకువెళ్లడం మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
As you can see, the orange smoke emitting the presence of the Marine Commandos hanging underneath the Seeking 42 Charlie. You may say that the commandos are now getting a bird's eye view of the river and the sea, but hanging from a helicopter is difficult due to the rotor wash and the high forward speed of the aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen,
మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ప్రకాశం బరాజ్ మీదుగా భవానీ ఐలాండ్ వరకు 42 చార్లీ మరీన్ కమాండోస్ ను క్యారీ చేయడం.
the Marine Commandos are now flying past the dais, approaching towards us. Hold your breaths, ladies and gentlemen. Capture this moment on your camera phones if possible. Here come the Sea King 42 Charlie and the Marine Commandos displaying a fantastic demonstration of the Sky operations. Let us now have a huge round of applause for the Sea King 42 Charlie and the Marine Commandos for a fantastic display of the small team insertion and extraction ops. Ladies and gentlemen, that now brings us to the end of the special team insertion. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now draw your attention to the right of the dais where we have two helicopters, one Chetak with the national flag underslung and one Sea King with the naval ensign underslung, are now approaching for the inaugural flypast. These aircraft are based at INS Dega, Visakhapatnam. In the lead we have the Chetak, which is being flown by Lieutenant G.S. Reddy, graded green, and Lieutenant Arjun. Let us now have a huge round of applause for the simulated beach attack operations. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, we will be witnessing the Helobatic display. Ladies and gentlemen, please shift your attention towards the side of Prakasham Barrage, where we have the Sea King 42 Charlie approaching for the Helobatic display. Towards the right, may I now ask you to shift your focus towards the Chetak, which will be joining the Sea King 42 Charlie for the Helobatic display. Approaching towards the dais in a magnificent maneuver. They are lowering and they are hovering below. The Sea King 42 Charlie on the left side of the dais and the Chetak on the right side of the dais are ready to commence the Helobatic display. As you can see, the Chetak is now moving ahead with the Sea King 42 Charlie maintaining equal amount of distance and maneuvering behind.
ప్రేక్షకులారా, మిమ్మల్ని అబ్బురపరిచే హెలోబాటిక్ డిస్ప్లే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు చేతక్ మరియు సీ కింగ్ హెలికాప్టర్లు డయాస్కు కుడివైపుకు కదులుతున్నవి.
And now moving behind is the Chetak, while moving ahead ferociously is the Sea King 42 Charlie, maintaining equal distance from each other and enthralling the audience with the Helobatic display. And now they have turned towards the dais, heading towards you, ladies and gentlemen. Hovering on the surface of the water, we have the Sea King 42 Charlie and the Chetak. Now moving left, maintaining the same heading. And now we have the Sea King 42 Charlie and the Chetak moving towards the right, right in front of the dais, just above us in a fantastic show of Helobatic display.
నీటి ఉపరితలం నుండి ఒకే విధమైన ఎత్తును మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ మీ ముందు హెలోబాటిక్ విన్యాసాలు చేస్తున్న సీ కింగ్ 42 చార్లీ చేతక్ విమాన హెలికాప్టర్లు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now have both the helicopters who are doing the on-the-spot turnaround. in a clockwise manner. As you can see, both are now with their heads towards the Prakasham barrage and lifting up, moving ahead. We have the Sea King Fortitude Charlie and the Chetak in a fantastic display of aerobatic operations.
హెలోబాటిక్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ముగించుకొని ప్రకాశం బ్యారేజ్ వైపుగా వెళ్తున్న సీకింగ్ మరియు చేతక్ హెలికాప్టర్లు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the conclusion of a fantastic display of aerobatics. Requires high seamanship skill set and agility. I am sure the scintillating maneuvers depicted today will enthrall everyone gathered here to mark the occasion. As we see, they have parted ways and now they are turning around in a reciprocal course, doing the water scooter demo. Ladies and gentlemen, these water scooters can move up to speeds of 110 kilometers per hour and now are seen crisscrossing each other in a serpent-like formation. Here comes the two water scooters at high speeds, agile, fast and ferocious, cutting each other, forming a serpent-like formation. Here they are to present to you the water scooter demo.
ప్రేక్షకులారా, మీ ముందు వాటర్ స్కూటర్లతో విన్యాసాలు చేస్తున్న వారు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ టూరిజం డెవలప్మెంట్ కార్పొరేషన్ వారి సిబ్బంది. వారి విన్యాసాలు మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అలరిస్తున్నాయని మేము విశ్వసిస్తున్నాం.
As you can see, the water scooters now tailing each other in a circle formation, enthralling each and every one present out here. Let me remind you, these water scooters can do speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour. Now speeding towards the right side of the dais are the water scooters ready to join the boat, which will now be proceeding towards the dais, ready to come alongside, making its approach as the water scooters wait for our Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu to embark on it and proceed for the parade of sails. Ladies and gentlemen, as you now watch the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu, will be embarking the boat for parade of sails. Ladies and gentlemen, we now see the Chief Minister has embarked the boat. Being escorted in front are the two jet water scooters ready to cast off.
మన దేశంలో రాష్ట్రపతి గారు తన పాలనా సమయంలో ఒకసారి ఈ సమీక్ష నిర్వహిస్తారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look towards the left of the dais where we have two water scooters escorting the Chief Minister's boat, accompanied by the Commander-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command, Vice Admiral HCS Bisht, ready for the parade of sails. As you can see, a flurry of sailboats ready to be inspected by the Chief Minister himself, along with the Commander-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command. Ready to make an approach.
జెట్టీని సమీపిస్తున్న మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారి బోట్ను మనం చూడవచ్చు.
As you can see, the water scooters have now detached themselves from the Chief Minister's boat, ready for the disembarkation of the Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu, along with the Commander-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command. As you can see, the boat has now come alongside, ready to disembark.
Jet aircraft now carrying out the rotation maneuver. Immediately after this maneuver, you will see the formation making an imaginary chain in the air called the shackle formation, where the number 2 will pull above the leader with more than 4 Gs and will come out on opposite sides again.
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch the proceedings right ahead of the dais carefully as we give you a demonstration of search and rescue operations at sea. Coming in, hovering low, ready to descend to perform the search and rescue demonstration to enthrall you all.
ప్రేక్షకులారా, ఇప్పుడు మీ ముందుకు వచ్చిన చేతక్ హెలికాప్టర్ సర్చ్ అండ్ రెస్క్యూ డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ మీకు చూపించబోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు హెలికాప్టర్ ఒక డైవర్ని కిందికి పంపి గాయపడ్డ వ్యక్తిని ఏ విధంగా రికవర్ చేస్తుందో డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ మీరు చూడవచ్చు. ఈ ఆపరేషన్ ప్రమాదంలో ఉన్న నౌకలలో మరియు బోట్లలోని నావికులను రక్షించడానికి ఉపయోగపడును.
We can see that the Chetak has now come to a low hover above the surface of the water and has lowered the diver who is going to carry out the search and rescue operation. Ladies and gentlemen, a pilot requires a lot of skill to perform this act. If the height is too much, the person cannot be reached, and if too low, it could be hazardous for the helicopter due to the water wash that is generated by the rotors. The helicopter has now demonstrated how a free diver is lowered in case of a rescue of an injured person. There you have again, right in front of the dais, the helicopter is coming into a low hover. The diver is being lowered and is about to perform the search and rescue act. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Chetak with the search and rescue demonstration. We have the diver underslung from the helicopter who is ready to be lowered into the sea to rescue the person in distress. Apart from the expert flying skills required by the pilot, a lot of courage and bravery is required to be shown by the diver being lowered into the sea. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breaths while you watch this fantastic display of daredevilry. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a search and rescue demonstration. Let us now have a huge round of applause is stored behind a boat while the paraglider to the parasail, which has been stripped onto the boat by the tow rope. As you can see, the boat is speeding towards the dais to exhibit a fine display of parasailing. The paraglider is now seen approaching the dais. The boat is seen to be speeding off, carrying the paraglider into the air. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this act requires a lot of daredevilry and a lion's heart to put in front of you a fantastic display of paragliding. This fantastic display of paragliding is exclusively brought to you by the Andhra Pradesh Tourism and Development Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, Please look towards the left of the dais as we have the fantastic display of parasailing continuing to enthrall you and hold your breaths. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the Sea King 42 Charlie now descending, ready to hover upon the Gemini craft. This requires precise hovering by the pilot and slithering drills by the Marine Commandos using a special rope. As you can see, the Sea King 42 Charlie has now come into a low hover. The Sea King 42 Charlie has now put out its special rope for the slithering operations, where Marine Commandos will be slithering from the Sea King 42 Charlie into the Gemini craft positioned below. Hold your breaths, ladies and gentlemen. Do not wink your eyes as you see the Marine Commando now descending swiftly and steadily into the Gemini craft. And here comes another one who is seen sliding into the Gemini craft.
ప్రేక్షకులారా, ఈ విధంగా జెమినీ బోట్లో మరీన్ కమాండోస్ ని మోహరించే పద్ధతిని స్లిథరింగ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అని అంటారు.
And now you can see the 4th Marine Commando descending swiftly into the Gemini craft, performing the slithering operations. And effortlessly carried out this operation, real targets would be much larger and would be heavily guarded. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. Do not blink your eyes, as in any moment you will see the demolition of the oil rig. Please keep your eyes fixed on the oil rig. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The oil rig has been burst into flames by the Marine Commandos. In an actual war scenario, destruction of such vital offshore platforms will create huge loss to the economy of a nation while greatly reducing its oil production capacity, which, as you all know, is vital for the war effort and to sustain the economy of a nation. Non-availability of this precious commodity also undermines the morale of the enemy.
ప్రేక్షకులారా, మరీన్ కమాండోస్ అమర్చిన బాంబులతో ధ్వంసమైన ఆయిల్ రిగ్ డెమోలిషన్ డెమోని మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూశారు. ఆయిల్ రిగ్ డెమోలిషన్ పూర్తయిన తర్వాత స్టై ఆపరేషన్స్ కొరకు సీ కింగ్ 42 చార్లీ హెలికాప్టర్ డయాస్ ముందు నుండి వస్తుంది.
4 Gemini crafts carrying the elite Marine Commandos, now marked by the orange smoke. The small size of the Gemini makes it difficult to be detected from ashore. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the opposition firing on the Gemini crafts are visible. Despite this, our Marine Commandos, the elite special force, are displaying a fantastic example of how a beach attack has to be carried out.
ఈ విధంగా amphibious ఆపరేషన్ ని చేయడాన్ని కాంబాట్ బీచ్ రెక్కీ అసాల్ట్ అని పిలుస్తారు.
A small mistake may result in the Gemini overturning and the mission either being abandoned or turning disastrous. This operation is actually undertaken at night to conceal the attack. Here come the commandos. Despite all the oppression, overcoming underwater mines, obstacles, and any opposition by the enemy on the beach itself. The Marine Commandos are now alongside, and here they come. Swiftly and skillfully, they have landed on the beach. They form the combat recce team. They are now rapidly bowing inshore and are using their keen combat skills for neutralizing any resistance that they may meet. Ladies and gentlemen, swiftly moving forward, we have the Marine Commandos.
మరీన్ కమాండోస్ చేస్తున్న ఈ విన్యాసాన్ని బీచ్ అటాక్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు.
They will now move rapidly inshore and use their combat skills for neutralizing any resistance they may meet.
ప్రేక్షక మహాశయులారా, పరేడ్ ఆఫ్ సెయిల్స్ ని సమీక్షించడానికి ఇప్పుడు మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు కమాండర్ ఇన్ చీఫ్ తో కలిసి బయలుదేరడం మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
A review of warships is a traditional gathering of ships from a particular navy to be observed by the reigning monarch or his or her representative. A practice allegedly dating back to the 15th century. Such an event is not held at regular intervals to discourage potential enemies. However, since the 19th century, they have often been
హాక్ జెట్లు అధునాతన మరియు పటిష్టమైన నావిగేషన్ వ్యవస్థను కలిగి ఉన్నవి. అంతేకాక ఇవి ఎయిర్ టు గ్రౌండ్ రాకెట్లు, బాంబులు, తుపాకులు సహా ఆయుధాలను శత్రువులపైకి మోహరించగలవు. హాక్స్ భారతీయ నౌకాదళంలోని ఎయిర్ స్క్వాడ్రన్ INS 551 కు చెందినవి. వీటిని ఫ్యాంటమ్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు. ఈ విన్యాసాలకు ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహిస్తున్నది కెప్టెన్ నితిన్ పర్వతనేని.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right ahead, we have the Seeking 42 Charlie. The Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces once in his or her tenure.